Okay, everybody, thank you for your like, share, and subscribe. Okay, we are back on the discussion on question number 4. Okay, look at A first. Okay, complete the tree diagram to show the probability of not nesting in each season. Okay, write your answer in terms of K. So look at the tree diagram. Very straightforward. K is nesting on spring, so not nesting is 1 minus K, right? The same thing, okay, on summer. Nesting is K over 2, so not nesting is 1 minus K over 2. Remember to write down 2, okay, the same. K over 2 is still 1 minus K over 2. So we got the part A. So look at part B. Part B is here. Okay, we delete the other thing first, okay. Part B said that it is known that the probability of not nesting in spring and not nesting in summer is a 5 over 9. So see what is the path? Not nesting, right? So both are not nesting, right? So these two multiplied together will become 5 over 9. So B1, the solution will be 1 minus K over 2 equals 5 over 9. Okay, you look at the final equation, there is no 2 and no line, nothing in the denominator. So multiply both sides by 18 to eliminate these two denominator. So multiply both sides by 18, okay? So bear in mind, okay? So this one will becomes 9, 1 minus K, 2 minus K, remember. And the right hand side will become multiply 18, become 10, okay? 5 times 2 is 10, and then expansion, okay? So now it's 18 plus K plus 2 minus 2K minus K, so it's minus figure, so it's minus 27K, and then minus K plus K squared, so plus 9K squared. Remember, it is showing the result, so you need to do a lots of intermediate step, and then you move the 10 to the right, and then you got the results, okay? You still need to copy it once, okay? Bingo, you got it. The last one, it is not about solving the question, it's about interpretation. He said that there are two solutions for K, 1 over 3 and 8 over 3. He said that Y 1 over 3 is the only valid solution. So what's the problem of 8 over 3? Look at here, if K is 8 over 3, oh, we got a probability of nesting on spring will be K will be higher than 1. So impossible, right? So you say that if K equals 8 over 3, then the probability of nesting on spring, you say you have to write clearly, will be equal K will be equal 8 over 3 will be larger than 1. So it is impossible. So think about whether you need to talk about the validity of the other one or not. Okay, look at the 4 marks. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, just say that this one is impossible. So K equals 1/3 is the only valid solution. Or you can say some more. Okay, if K is 1 over 3, all the probability you can say somewhere, all probability will be within 0 and 1, okay? So which is possible, right? Larger than 0 and smaller than 1 for all K over 2, 1 over 1 minus K, 1 minus K over 2, all is within this range, okay? Which is a possible range, okay? So that's it. We make it for question 4. Well done, guys.